your girl Kaylin, and today I will be revealing this wig. This is a Kinky straight burgundy 22-inch headband wig. That's a mouthful, but yeah, that's what this wig is. And this is from an Amazon vendor. Now I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm just going to put that on the screen, and then all the details, of course, is going to be in the description box below. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep watching. Remember, I said this is kinky straight, so don't be like, oh, it's not that straight. And this is synthetic, so I'm not putting heat on this. I'm scared to put heat on this. When I looked in the reviews, it said don't put no more than 125 degrees Celsius. That's not a lot. In my flat iron, the lowest temperature is 300, so I'm not even risking it. And I want to try to preserve this because this is cute. Yes. Alright, so keep watching. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into this video. Here is the hair. This hair is kinky straight, and it is a headband wig. So it does have the combs on the inside, and then of course the velvet strap in the back, and it comes with a headband as well. Yeah, so this is the headband it came with, and it also came in a cool little wig bag that you can store your wig in, and 2 caps for you, which you see I already have my hair down. Now don't mind this because it's not even a braid down, but for the sake of this video, my hair is put back. I like to put the combs like at least an inch back from the hairline so that the headband can be fully stretched out. So I'm gonna place the combs right here. Okay, girl. If you did not know, when I was in high school, I used to color my hair so much. I'll insert some pictures, but yeah, I used to always, like, this was the main color I used to go to, and the first color I dyed my hair, obviously. But yeah, I'm loving the color, the texture of the hair. It feels so soft. I wish it wasn't synthetic so I could put some heat on it. Like when I looked online, it said that you can add 125 Celsius degrees Celsius, but my flat iron, the lowest to go is 300, and I'm kind of scared to do that. Maybe I might do that at the end of the video. We'll see. Try it out. But I really like the hair. It's cute. Let's do the edges. Yes, this is the hair. I want to try like a half up, half down. Alright, I'm back. I had to switch cameras, but I hope the quality isn't too far off. But I was doing a half up, half down. So let's do that. with the headband.